Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can erase in Affinity. So yeah, basically what you will have to do is of course first open your Affinity, whether you're using a mobile phone or a laptop or whatever device that you are using. And then next you will just have to go ahead and click the layer that you would want to edit and then choose the eraser brush tool or erase brush tool. It really depends on the terminology that your version has. Either way, after you click the eraser tool, you will just have to set the brush size and hardness in the context toolbar and erase by painting directly on the image if you want a destructive result. After that, for a non-destructive approach, you will add a mask layer and paint black on the mask to hide areas instead of deleting pixels. Then, refine mask edges using the blur or refine tools and switch brush opacity for subtler erasing. Then, of course, finally, save a copy or export the edited image. And yeah, that's it. And by the way, if you want a tip, must keep edits are reversible and it is more safer for revisions. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.